Welcome guys in this new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to export this tile map that you did in the Tiled software to the default game engine. It's very simple. You just need some plugins in Tiled and it's built in, so you don't need to go to Google or install anything. So you just go to edit and you go to preferences. Then you go to plugins and you will have libdefold and libdefold collection. Libdefold will export this to a tile map in default. In this it will export this tile map to a collection. So in this tutorial we're gonna use this one. So you can activate both. So after you draw your tile map here, you will need to go here, just file, export as, and you will have this. So let's just, you're gonna need to choose here. In here you will need to choose something like you need to choose the default tile map, and here the default collection. You're gonna choose the default tile map, and in here don't just like write map, because it will not export it. So map.tilemap. Then let's go here and let's go to our project that I created in the default game engine, and you need to export your map here. I'm gonna save it here. So now come back here and we have our map, but it's empty. Why? Because we don't have a tile source. To do this, just go here and create a new tile source. New tile source and name it map. And in the tile source we have nothing, so you need to add the image or the tile map that you used in here. So in this tile map I used this image, so we're gonna go to default, we're gonna take this image and put it. So we're gonna go here and add the tile map that you used, and this is it. 16 by 16, it's correct. So now let's go to map.tilemap and add our tile source. And as you can see, this is our tile map. You can easily add collision with this. Let's just go here, collision and tiles. And then you can just choose this and add collision as you like. So let's just go here, create a new game object, call it something, let's just call it map. And let's just add a new component file, and it's the map. And it will not look cool, so go here, because I used a very little dimension. I'm just gonna make it a little bit, and this, and we're just gonna go to the game project, fix, yes, and nearest, save this, and let's build it. This is our simple tile map. We can make it smaller to see all the tile map. Make it by 2. Again. Make it 1 by 1. Yeah. You can now see all the tile map from here. You can just make it bigger or make it smaller, or you can just choose a bigger dimension here in child, because I used 16 by 16. So this is why it's small, but you can choose a better dimension. So I hope you understand how we export tiled Tilemaps to the Fold game engine. The Fold already have a tilemap editor, but it's better to use tiled because it have more tools. Um, but Tilemap in the Fold is also cool for prototyping. And I hope you like the video, and goodbye to another one. Like and subscribe and share the video.